Our company, Yongkang Dajue Industrial and Trade Company Limited, which was founded in 2016, is one of the professional shoe rack and cloth wardrobe manufacturers in China. Our company covers about 12,000 square meters. There are more than 100 workers and 20 technology and management persons in the team. Entering our factories, you will find our workers are skillfully operating our products, are flowing on the streamline slowly. We use the qualified raw material for our products, including galvanized steel tube, plastic parts, non-woven fabric cover, and etc. Under our quality controlled, used by special equipment, and exquisite handicraft process, we have a strong technology R&D team with rich experience and creative designs, and an administrative team with modern management concepts as well. Under such soft and hard conditions, a huge amount of products are emerging and endlessly, with total wide quality and competitive prices. Meanwhile, own designs and OEM orders are warmly welcomed, and they can be manufactured as you request. We have developed two famous brands of fabric shoe rack and cloth wardrobe in China, which including shoe rack and fabric wardrobe and etc. About 1,000 kinds of them have been sold to all around the world. Be partners of us. You will be assured of competitive price.